Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our lesson today, solving proportions, lesson 2-7, and our objective is to solve and apply proportions. Okay, my dear student, first of all, we have to understand what is the proportions. The proportion is an equation. Okay, so proportions, it is an equations, and we need to solve this equation as we used to. Okay, what we have more in this lesson, you have to know that the proportions, it is a state, yes, it is state two of the, okay, it is state that two ratio, okay, it is state that two ratios are equal. Regarding to these ratios, we have to solve the equation and find the value of the variable. Okay, so let us start and stop wasting time. Okay, my dear student, I hope you will be happy with me. Yes, I'm sure about that. Okay, I will use two methods to solve this equation. It is 3 over 4 equal x over 5. Okay, I will rewrite it again here, the same equation, and I will solve it in another method. Okay, my dear student. Okay, now let us start here. Now, as we learned before, this is equation. Any proportion is equation. It has a left side and the right side. But every time you will find in the left side and the right side fractions, as you see here. Yes, 3 over 4 is a fraction, and the fraction actually it is a ratio. Okay, 3 to 4, we can write it like this. We take it in grade 6 and 5 and 4. 3 over 4 we can write like this or like this. You remember? I hope so. Okay, now our mission, my boys, to solve this equation. As we learned before, okay, after we determine the left and the right, we have to make x alone and happy. And to make x alone and happy, we have to break the log, which is the 5. So we need to multiply left and right by 5. So what we do in the left, we have to do in the right. So why I multiply left and right by 5? Yes, great. To eliminate the 5 in the right side to make the x alone and heavy. Yes, my dear student. Very good. And the left side and the x weighting, what will happen here? It is multiply whole number by a fraction, and all of my students also know that the 5 it is over 1, up with up, down with down, so it is 15 over 4. And also, my dear student, know that yes, all of my dear students know that this is improper fraction, and they know why, because the number up is bigger than the number down, and they can also write it as a mixed number by asking one question, which is how many 4 in 15? 4, 8, 12, 16, no, remove the 16, so it is 3 times, so it is 3, and you see, and you put the 4 here, then you multiply 4 by 3, as you see, 3 multiply 4 or 4 multiply 3 equal 12. How many steps from the 12 to the number here? 15. Yes, it is 3. Great. So the number up is 3 here. So the value of x that make this equation correct, it is 3 and 3 over 4 or 3/4. This is the first method, and I know my student know everything here. Okay, let us learn a new method here. It's called cross product property. Okay, cross product okay. Now, okay, it is hard, teacher? No, it is easier than the old one actually. How we can do the cross product property? It is easy. X multiply 4 and 3 multiply 5. Okay, how we can make it? First of all, you write the equal sign, you prepare the right side, and prepare the left side. Okay, now you start. 4 multiply x equal 4x, teacher. Okay, and 3 multiply 5, it is 15. Okay, teacher, if I put the 4x here and the 15 here, does um, make any different or make any problem with us? Actually, no, it doesn't matter. Okay, it is the same. You can write 4 multiply x here and 3 multiply 5 here, and it is the same. Now, how we can solve this? 4x equal 15. Teacher, we need to make the x alone, yes? So we are going to remove this, and this is the coefficient. So all of time we divide by the coefficient, which is the 4, So x equal 15 over 4, and this we made it before. It is 3, yes, and 3 over 4, yes, I remember it. Okay, we done. Are you happy now? Can you repeat, teacher? Yes, I can repeat this method. Okay, in the same question, and take one more example. Okay, my dear student, don't confuse. It is 3 over 4 equal x over 5. So we do the cross, and we draw the left and the right. We do 4x, and we put here 15. From where I get the 4x? 4 multiply x. It is here. From where I get the 15? 5 multiply 3. It is here. Now I divide by 4, x equal 15 over 4, which equal 3 and 3 over 4. Okay, one more example for my best students. Wait me, don't go away. I'm coming. I will do number 13 and you will help me, yes? It is m over 7 equal 3 over m. 3 over 5, sorry. Let us do it. Cross multiplication, 1, 2, no, I will change this color. Yes, I will use the red one. And then we draw the left side and the right side. I do the multiplication, yes. 21, it is coming from here, 7 multiply 3, and 5x, it is coming from 5 multiply m equals, sorry, 5m. Now we have to eliminate what? Yes, the 5, yes. So divide both sides by 5. So the m come alone and happy, and waiting what will happen here. It is 21 over 5. Can you write it as a mixed number? Yes. How many 5 in 21? Teacher, it is 3. 3 or 4? No, it is 4. And draw this line and make the 5 down and do multiplication mentally, okay? It is 4 multiply 5 equal 20. How many steps I need to reach the 21? Here. Okay, I need one step, so up we have 1. Okay, my dear student. Okay, I hope you do everything here mentally, because it is easy and it is from a long time we take it. Yes, so m equal 4 and 1/5. Okay, let us make another question. I will do one question for it is 26, my dear student. Okay, I will not take a long time from your time. Okay, so it is a negative 2 over 9 equal 2 over 3. You can solve it in two methods. Okay, the first method that what we learned before, this is the left side and this is the right side. Yes, here we have a padlock which is a 9, so we multiply this by 9 and this by 9. Okay, this cancelled, and the a minus 2 coming down, and here it is 18 over 3. You know how, yes? The 9 over 1, up with up, down with down. 9 multiply 2 equal 18. 1 multiply 3 equal 3. Now, and you know that 18 over 3, it is equal 6, yes? So I will write 6 here. Now, now a negative 2 equals 6. How I can make the a alone? Teacher, we will divide by 2, by negative 2, teacher. Stop. Please don't say that. It is ugly mistake, actually. Why, teacher? How I can know if I divide or add plus 2 here to eliminate the negative 2? Actually, it is easy. If the number is stick here, you can divide by 2. If the number again, if it stick here, you can divide by 2. But look, it is subtracted from the a, so how we can remove it? By plus 2 plus 2. So the negative 2, it is term, it is not coefficient. Okay, and all the terms we just move it to the other side, yes, or to another side. Okay, so we move it, or we do this plus 2 plus 2. It is the same, my dear student. Okay, you can move it, or you can add like this. So the a come alone, because this is cancelled, and it is equal 8. Okay, teacher, I don't like this way. I like to move this to the other side. Okay, move it. It will be a equal 6 plus 2. Yes, when we move the negative 2 to the other side, it will be plus 2. So A equal 8. The same answer, yes? Beautiful. Okay, what we have else? Okay, I will do this by using cross product, okay, property, okay, the same equation. A minus 2 over 9 equal 2 over 3. And at the end you are free for which way or method you will do the question, my dear student, okay? Now, the cross multiplication say this, I draw the cross multiplication and draw the left side, determine the left and the right side. Now 9 multiply 2 equal 18. I will put it in the right side. Now 3 multiply a negative 2, so it is 3 multiply a negative 2. Teacher, why you draw the parentheses? There is no parentheses here, because if you don't put the parentheses it will be 3a negative 2. But actually the 3 is multiplied by the a and the negative 2. So I set the parentheses, or I put the parentheses here. Okay, now what I have to do, I use the distributive property Ali story. Okay, so 3 multiply a, which equal 3a. 3 multiply negative 2, which equal negative 6, equal 18. And this actually equation need 2 steps to solve it. Okay, first of all we move this to the right side, so the 3a coming down and the 18 plus 6. Yes, great. Now, so all of time I start with the term, I move the term to the other side and then look to the coefficient, which is 3 here, and divide the two sides by the coefficient. Okay, okay, the 3 cancelled and the a coming down alone and happy, and waiting what will happen here. So what happened here? 18 plus 6, it is 24 over 3. And as you know, 24 divided by 3 equal 8. Okay, my dear student, now you have two methods. You can select one and do it. What we learn in this lesson, we learned cross product property. Okay, cross product property. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Khair, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.